Today, we're going to be talking about the zodiac sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius are born November 22nd through December 21st. It is a fire sign linked with the colors purple and orange. Their main drive is to seek the truth, period. Known as the philosopher, they're adventurous, big-minded, honest, reckless, and frank. The most compatible signs with the Sagittarius are Aquarius, Aries, Leo, and Libra. The least compatible signs are Virgo and Pisces. Stay away. They're charismatic, charming, and independent, but they can also be careless, irresponsible, and blindly optimistic. Symbolized by the centaur and archer, Sagittarius point their arrows toward abstract truth and faraway lands, galloping into the distance to gather experiences and wisdom. A straight shooter, no sign has more candor, which can be both a gift and a curse. A fiery thrill seeker, Sagittarius often becomes an athlete or outdoorsman. No sign is more inspiring by helping others to broaden their horizons by introducing them to new views and experiences.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect! I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. Talking about the zodiac sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius are born November 22nd through December 21st. It is a fire sign linked with the colors purple and orange. Their main drive is to seek